Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today is Monday, and guys, there's a storm coming, Storm Beryl, and so you know the situation with our roof. The roof needs changing and stuff. So Junior is strapping down the roof because it cannot withstand the storm if it comes. So they say prevention better than cure. So we're trying to strap down. Don't mind doesn't make it. Don't walk beside the thing. I'm trying to strap down, just in case the storm decides to come. Don't stay away from the thing. It can cut you.
I'm not doing that.
Just like a bigger piece of Huh?
Mommy.
What you want, Sean?
Mommy, I just feed my sweet in that mouth.
Come here. Go down and eat it. Want me up there? Want me up there?
They're gonna break out. Mommy,
Whoa.
Reload already.
mommy, are the children gonna go over there?
Don't let go, you're eating. Jordan, so you're eating, let go. You have hammer on it. What you want up there? Hammer? Well, listen, we can't swing on it too. Sorry,
Me
listen.
too! I want to try too, guys. Mommy's gonna fall. You didn't fall.
Yeah, that's swinging up. What's if one roof come down with me? Just in my head, there's something there.
Mommy can't leave the ground for 2 seconds, so she's gonna take the house down with her.
I'm heavy. My drop.
Daddy, let me try. Let me try.
No.
Mommy, can I get one try?
Try my flip, I say, put it back in there.
Mommy, can I get one try?
Just look at what you're doing. Where you're
This idiot right there.
Let's go.
I don't get how is this gonna hold the roof down? The roof against the storm, which one wins? Exactly what I was thinking. Justin, next you see next you see a hole through the dresser in the roof.
So guys, that's what we're doing. We're
Tying down the roof.
You know the situation already, guys, so we have to try and...
No, seriously, guys, look at what they're doing to protect themselves from the storm. This is like someone trying to hide themselves in a bucket from the zombie apocalypse.
No,
Wait, what are you seriously doing?
It tie over here, look, no? Sorry. So when the breeze blowing
Let me go in here.
blowing because the roof not come all the way off. But that's the thing.
It doesn't come all the way off.
No,
Half
come
of it
off.
just go.
Doesn't matter if some come
Yeah,
off because we have to change it anyway.
Yeah,
Huh?
Tell me I wasted Justin and Jessica.
Yeah.
Just give me 2 nails, me catch this up.
Come just give that in here.
What is it? Oh. 2 nails, like you said. Wait, they're pretty blue too?
You guys don't know names. We have to try it. You know.
Well, if you do this, I doesn't even work.
Well, prefer you try that and try not to. I remember one time something that when Moses was Noah was warning,
Yeah.
and people never believed there was the flood is going to come.
Yeah.
All right, don't be like that.
I do believe the storm is gonna come. I don't believe like.
But guess what? Storm is coming. You don't make any preparation. You know your
Mommy.
roof. Shh.
Wait.
Listen, that's not joking. You know your roof is not good to try to something. Because when you guys in there and the roof gone, don't think you never experienced a storm before. You don't know what a storm is. You understand? You think Sean, they probably think a storm is just like a little breeze blowing and a rain fall. Me don't want. Shh. Me don't want the storm come from the experience a storm, you know.
Mama, I know what it would be like. Rain, thunder, lightning,
No, it's like
big breezes.
Why is bubble gum not in your mouth?
Big breezes like
Big breeze, I think heavy
like
breeze.
the big bad wolf.
Justin, you have never experienced a storm, so you don't talk here. It's because me and that experienced storm already, so we have to do what we have to do.
my away. Everyone must that.
So look now, we see when the breeze blow, look Jessica, when the breeze blow, the end of the zinc, the end part don't lift up. Because once that lift up, just be careful man, because the road rotten. Once it lift up, everything gone. Then all of the water coming in the house. And all want to get wet up. I don't know what this time will be blowing. Probably blowing some zinc and something.
Oh, is that a tornado?
Something like that.
I know how a tornado is destructive someone.
If it's not like a
It's
tornado,
imaginable.
what if they land and an actual tornado is coming our way? And we're
Just
doing
being careful.
this, and then it takes away our house because
You tight enough, Sean? Tight enough? Want tighter?
Yeah, maybe.
Huh? Been picking up, the breeze gonna feel different.
It's Tia Joey Boo. Bark for the camera. Bark, bark.
how am I not supposed to make this?
Don't worry, I can help you, Mom. If you want to now.
Position if the roof tear off or nothing because we're gonna tear it off anyway, not
I
sure.
got here long anyway.
You just don't want to tear off and wet up or something then man, wet we up.
Exactly.
So prevention is better than
Venison?
dimension.
Venison.
Prevention better than what?
Venison.
Cure.
Secure, okay. Prevention is better than secure.
I didn't say secure, I said cure.
Cure?
Yes.
Cure?
Prefer you prevent the thing than try to find the cure after. When you prevent sickness,
You know, have to look for cure for
you
it.
don't have to look for cure.
Don't it, Jessica?
Sean, you won't slide out from out there, so.
Nah, man. Before we put
But
something
mommy,
there.
we're talking about buildings here.
That may take over there, so. You won't slide up, like go forward.
No.
Okay. Because when the breeze, a wise thing you do, because when the breeze blow, so go want to lift up it up like,
That's why I put it there, so.
yeah. You want me to help you draw down? Want me to draw down?
Anyhow.
It's slide, that's true.
Is that right? Okay.
Jessica, look over there.
What?
So? Look over there, Jessica.
Where?
Nice guy. Thanks for the again.
Wow.
Give me some more, Neil.
Here.
Whoa!
Give me more, give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more. I got it.
Thought you were gonna climb the ladder. Oh, you're gonna climb the ladder. Oh, you told me not to fling it. You told me not to fling it.
Yeah, it's a breeze. The wind is getting heavier. It's getting heavier. And you're trying to not go inside the rain. Find through in the rain. Look at the skies over there.
Wait, this would be the...
Yeah, go inside, Jessica. Go inside. We're not pick up. Try and hurry up. The sky is getting darker, guys. Junior is still working. Huh? No. Come down for now. Guys, it's raining, so I'm gonna come down for now. Okay, guys, so the rain gone for a while, I guess. So we're gonna remove these zincs now. Where are we gonna put them again, Sean? Down there? We're gonna put these materials down here. Jessica, come here. This one. How much more apple you gonna need? No more apple after this, man.
No, I said to him, something came up on here.
Here. This now. Oh, put up where you can see me under it. So what's that? What's that? Yeah, we have no something just like up. Watch that. You need that.
Huh?
Step on him. Neck him, Sean.
That's a baby.
Okay.
They're trying to kill a road.
Yeah, teenager roach.
And they missed a few times.
Move, Jessica, move. Try one more.
Huh?
You find nice something. I can't see one.
That one's dead. This looks like heavy.
One thing one time? Sean, no, I can't pick up one thing one time.
Come almost to the middle. Right?
No, come here.
No, come almost to the middle. Right?
I'll help me put it down there and come in the middle. What I'm saying?
This can't hold something.
Like a bird?
This can't hold something. Justin! Come on. Justin!
In the video.
Ready to go?
Let's come down there. Honey, are we going?
Mm-hmm.
Give me that bicycle!
Let's slide off there.
Yeah, one piece.
It's a piece. There was a pieces. What is that?
Nothing.
You must feel smart.
No.
What you
Close, no.
Say you're genius.
say? What you say?
Say you're genius.
He's not lying.
Say you're genius.
He said something similar to that, mommy. Mommy, he said something similar to that.
I said, the mother will beat man.
No, that's a
You
lie.
see? You see? I got me a
Look at this drama. My favorite type of sauce. Drama. What do you have to say?
Come.
Man, come on, tell me busy. Where put this?
Go.
Yeah, what to do? Make it easy for the stamp to take it away.
Watch it. You watch it.
And Jessica,
You know what time I'm going to take out that.
stamp take it
When
over.
he's going to literally take it off and walk away with it. What the hell happened to the ground?
Wow. The zinc did that.
It smooth. It made the whole. It made the ground. It made the ground look like
I
it.
did that, not this thing.
If you said so,
Wait, you did it?
did what?
Who just hit me?
Jordan.
You want this thing killed me now?
Oh.
Is it the only one that
And then I'm getting common sense from.
You know, see, you have big fear beating though. Nice, boss.
You get capital sense from me, you get common sense from it. All women think I'm a genius.
Our women are genius. Guys, so what we're doing now, just putting stuff away. We're gonna pull up the chair some more and put some
With this hands.
the television appliances and stuff and all that. Mattress, just a mattress can go on it. And pack away. We cover up with trapali. Or tapali, whatever it name.
Mom,
Yeah?
open this.
No.
I begin to
It's so special, boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're my home. Just so you know, you're mine for sure. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh, you're mine for sure. what you